Hello, and welcome back to the TakePropips YouTube channel. Today, we'll show you how you can quickly enter trades with just one click of a button. The Fast Buy and Fast Sell feature in the TakePropips EA is all about speed and efficiency. It allows you to execute market orders with just one click, cutting down the time it takes to react to market changes. Let's break down how this works. You'll find the Fast Buy and Fast Sell buttons conveniently located on the dashboard. This setup is designed for those moments when you need to make quick decisions based on real-time market analysis. Before you start using this feature, you'll want to configure the default settings. This includes setting up your preferred lot size, whether it's a manual lot size or calculated based on your account's risk percentage. You can also preset your take profit and stop loss values, crucial for managing risk effectively. Now, let's set up our stop loss first. In this example, we could choose to set our stop loss using fixed points. This setting allows you to manually choose the size of your stop loss. For example, we can choose to have 50 pips or 500 points every time we enter fast trades, so let's try to enter 500 points here and hit OK. With your settings configured, executing a trade is as simple as clicking either Fast Buy or Fast Sell. The system immediately places the order with your predefined TP and SL, saving precious seconds and allowing you to capitalize on market movements quickly. As you can see, the size of our stop loss is exactly at 500 points. Let's go back to the input settings to explore the other options for SL. Next is the ATR multiplier, which is a dynamic way of calculating your stop loss. This setting allows the EA to automatically set the size of your SL based on the current market volatility. If the market is experiencing high volatility, then your SL will be set larger to accommodate for larger price swings. If the market is experiencing low volatility, then your SL will be set smaller. To adjust the multiplier, then you can adjust this setting. By default, it is set to be 3 times multiplier of the ATR. This is a good number to start, but if you need more flexibility, then you can adjust this to any multiplier you like. Just remember that the higher the number, the larger your stop loss will be. Let's apply the default 3x multiplier and see what it looks like when we enter a trade. As you can see, the stop loss was automatically set based on 3x ATR multiplier. A higher multiplier will mean a larger stop loss. A lower multiplier will mean a smaller stop loss. You can play around with the multiplier setting to see which one fits your style better. The one advantage of using ATR multiplier instead of fixed points is that you allow your stop loss to have some breathing room if the market is experiencing high volatility, so you avoid getting whiplash by the market. This also gives you a tighter stop loss if the market is experiencing low volatility. The choice is still yours. Do you prefer the simplicity of having a fixed stop loss every time you enter a trade, or do you prefer a dynamic stop loss that adapts to market volatility? And for the last option, we have the support and resistance, which will set your stop loss automatically based on the closest support and resistance level on the chart. This is incredibly helpful if you are mainly a price action trader and you trade based on key levels of the chart. For this example, we'll choose the support and resistance option as our stop loss calculation and see how it plays out on the trades. As you can see, the stop loss is automatically placed at the next support level on this chart. We could also go to this pair and enter a sell trade. The stop loss is placed at the next resistance level. Very convenient, right? Next, let's move on to our take profit calculation. The first option is fixed points, which allows you to manually set the size of your TP. For example, if you want your take profit to be 70 pips or 700 points every time you enter a fast buy or fast sell trade, then you can choose this option and then set this setting to 700. Let's see it in action. Now, we have a trade with a take profit size of 700 points. Next is the ATR multiplier, which allows you to set your take profit target based on the current market volatility. If the market is experiencing high volatility, then your take profit will be larger so you can take advantage of larger price swings to gain more profit, and if the market is experiencing low volatility, then your take profit will be smaller to account for smaller price swings. This is similar to how the stop loss calculates using the ATR multiplier. Let's try to set it to 5 times the ATR multiplier and see what it looks on this trade. Now, you will see the TP size based on 5 times the ATR multiplier. And the last option is the risk to reward ratio, which allows you to automatically set the size of your take profit based on the size of your stop loss. So let's say you have a 50 pips or 500 point stop loss, then if you have a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, your take profit size would also be 500 points. Now, if you have a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, then that means the take profit will become 1000 points, which is double the size of our stop loss of 500 points. This is how risk to reward ratio is calculated on this EA. If you prefer to always anchor your take profit based on the size of your stop loss, then you can choose this option. Let's see it in action. On this example, we'll use 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. As you can see, the size of our take profit is double the size of our stop loss. Now, let's look at the lot size calculation, and this is important as it will set the risk we enter per trade. The first option is the manual lot size, and this is very simple, as you can just manually enter the lot size you enter on fast trades. For example, if you prefer to always enter on 0.15 lot size, then you can choose this option and enter your lot size here. Let's enter a trade, and now, you see that the lot size is 0.15. Nothing special here, just a simple way to set your lot size. Next, is the risk percentage per trade, which automatically calculates your lot size based on your current account balance. For example, if you prefer to always risk 1% of your balance on every fast trade, then you can select this option. Now if we enter a trade, you will see that our lot size was automatically calculated, and this is the total amount we can expect to lose on this trade. And finally, we have the risk amount, which allows the EA to automatically calculate the lot size based on the amount in your account currency that you are willing to lose. For example, if you are willing to risk $100 per trade, then you would choose this option and set your amount to 100. This will make sure your lot size is in the correct range, so you only lose around $100 per trade. Let's enter a trade. Now you see that the lot size is set and the amount we can lose is close to or near $100. Remember, while fast buy and fast sell are incredibly convenient, they should be used with a clear strategy and understanding of the market conditions. It's always wise to analyze the charts and indicators before making any trades. That's all for today, traders. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates and tips on Forex trading. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more in-depth tutorials on the TakePropips Trading Management Solutions EA. Happy trading, and see you next time.